all, Ida? I have a reputation.
So if I were you, I wouldn't brag about it. I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey. Cranberry sauce!
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want to get you all spruced up. It's time to meet the other members of the duckyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drink! Don't stare at him. Look at him. Now then, children, let's not make a fuss. Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong. Still, you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you, but stay close to me at all times or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat. Look at him, legs are dainty and the knees are knocked. Look at him, death is obviously eggshell shaft. But the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Ew, Puppy. Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Right now.
Why do I make you laugh and scoff? Have you seen your reflection? Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you scare them off. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
Now in a moment you will be introduced to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you'll notice she has a red band of cloth around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she is looked up to by both men and animals.
Now, don't turn your toes in, just bow your head politely and say quack. 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 Quack.
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you done? You're too bland. This duckyard will be so boring if we all looked the same. Look at him, and you think, well, that's not your kid. Look at him, about to go the way to Dodo.